Around the world, organizations begin their days tackling the big questions. Do we have the right amount of workforce to take on a new contract? When will equipment be down for routine maintenance? Who has the right skills and experience to put on the best show? Getting the answers to all these questions all starts with a resource management solution. Ganttic is an online platform for project and resource planning, helping users from these industries and more work more efficiently and start each day making the right business decisions. With a bird's eye view of your resource pool, instantly see at a glance who is doing what and when. Dive into your database of resource information for smarter allocation based on skill level, certifications, or experience. Gain a real-time understanding of the day's tasks, as well as what the future holds. For over 14 years, Ganttic has been helping managers just like you deliver projects, from the large to the small. Join the others who have chosen Ganttic as the resource planning partner. Try it yourself and start building your own, more efficient world.